Our motto is that books connect us, and we live that every day. I am Polly Buxton.
And I'm Julian Buxton. I'm co-owner with my wife, Polly, of Buxton Books in Charleston.
I think what's interesting is how the power of storytelling runs through everything that we do. With author events, in the books that we sell, in the conversations that we have, and also in the tours. We actually met 12 years ago. On our first date, Julian asked me what my work dream was. I scoffed because I said I don't have a work dream. But then later in the evening, I shared with him something that I hadn't shared with anyone, and that was that I had always wanted to have a bookstore. Flash forward 2 years later, we were married. Julian called me and he said, "I'm standing in your bookstore." He claims that the door was open and kind of beckoned him in. I was a reluctant entrepreneur, but we took a leap of faith and we opened Buxton Books on that little corner, and we built it one book at a time.
Bye. Good to see you. Bye.
I am thrilled to be taking you around tonight.
I started the tour company over 30 years ago along the same themes that Buxton Books is. To spark connection, to learn about Charleston, and to bring the community together.
The Ghosts of Charleston tour, the signature tour, which is based on the book that Julian wrote. We leave from the bookstore, walk the streets to some of the sites that these stories are being told. The tours end inside of the 1772 Unitarian graveyard, and it is a really magical place. We like to say history, mystery, and wonder. That's what you get on our tours. We've had consistent growth every year for the past 10 years, and we know that the landscape is changing all of the time. Before we opened our own small business, I did not know that American Express did what they do, their commitment to small businesses. For this next chapter, we hope to work smarter, not harder, and there are so many things that we could do. But the trends and insights within the American Express Shop Small Resource Hub help us decide where to put our resources, where can we best focus for this next chapter. It's an extraordinary resource, and I would encourage small businesses to take advantage of that. When you're a small business, you're so focused on the work that you do every day. It takes just about everything out of you. So I think it's very typical for small businesses to not even be aware of the resources that are there to help.